Hi, I'm Shahzad from First Drive, and today we're going to put together the SL65 AMG. Let's get started. So first, to put together the car, we're going to start with the wheels. Now, we have two types of wheels over here, the front and the rear. Now, the front has a more recessed pattern over here, while the rear has a part that connects directly with the motor, so that your tire will turn. So when you're installing the front wheels, you want to make sure the flat side of your washer is facing the tire. So you first put in your first washer, followed by the tire. Then you're going to follow up with another washer. Flat side over here, facing the wheel. And then you just put your nut on. And then you use your included wrench to twist it right in. Now over here you have 4 notches. You're going to make sure you have it on the 4 notches over here as well. Just go ahead, you line it right up, press in, and you're done. So the rear wheels are a little different when you're putting them on. Why? Because you only have one washer this time. And you're just going to go ahead and you're going to put this piece right into the motor. Once it's in, and you get one washer, and you're going to put it right in. But if you notice, I'm not having a lot of space over here. What you want to do is come to the other side, and you see the rod, the rear axle, and you're going to go ahead and push a little more. I pushed a little too much on this side, but at least I have room to work now. So now I'm going to come back to this side, put the washer on, and I'm just going to lightly tighten it by hand right now. Because if you try to tighten it, it's going to go ahead and it's going to move the entire rear axle. On this side, I'm going to go and I'm going to pull as much axle as possible on this side. Then I'm going to go ahead and put on the rear other tire, make sure it fits right into the motor. Put the washer on, as well as the nut on. Now, when you're tightening the nuts, you need one wrench and the second wrench, which is right over here. You're going to fit them on both sides of the vehicle. And you're going to tighten them both up by turning in a clockwise motion. The next item we're going to install is the steering wheel. Now, pay attention, we have one nut side, hexagon side, and one circle side. Make sure you know which way is the right side up. When you get the cable, you're going to go ahead and you're going to plug it in like so. This will make sure that the audio controls on the steering wheel work. Go ahead and tuck all of that in. And from here, you're just going to slide the steering wheel right on the bar. Now you're going to have 2 screws. Well, one nut, one screw. The nut will go on the hexagon side, while the screw, you can see light through it. You can go ahead and you can put the screw right in. First, get the screw right through. You put the nut on the hexagon side, and then you just start screwing it in with your Phillips head screwdriver. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notches. And over here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notches. Line them right up. And snap right out. This is the battery, and to plug it in, all you have to do is plug this end for the battery into the rest of the car. Once you do that, plug it in like that, and you close the trunk. Then you use your key to start the car. So the last part that we're going to put in is the seat. Now, there's two ways to do it. One requires screws, one is the screwless way. I'm going to show you the preferred route of screwless because you could actually adjust the seat using this button right over here. So all you have to do is get these rails and put them underneath these rails over here. You put the seat in like so. Now that the car is fully assembled, one thing that you're going to want to do is hold on to one of the keys and give the other key to your child. Why? Because they love to lose keys. And if you lose the key, the car will not operate until you modify the ignition with a screwdriver. So we're going to go ahead and just put the key right in here for now. Next, we're going to show you how to pair the controller. Now, if you notice, I'm going to go ahead and power on the car. The controller does not work. In order to get the controller to work, we power down the car. We're going to hold up and down arrows on the remote until the center light starts blinking. Once that happens, you go ahead and turn it on. Turn to a nice solid color. You hit it up and down. Left and right is the steer. S will adjust the speed of the car, and P will pause the operation of the car until you hit P again. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any other questions, please visit us on ridefirstdrive.com. Thank you so much for watching.